here. Today I am going to be showing you a little recipe that I like to make for snacks when I am doing the 21-day fix. What I'm going to be showing you how to make today is a little spinach loaf that I like to cut into squares and put lots of yummy stuff on top of. It's a good little snack. You could also incorporate it in one of your meals. And I will tell you exactly what this snack counts for in the 21-day fix. For the ingredients, you will need 1 bag of frozen spinach, a 16-ounce bag, and you'll want this to be thawed, 6 eggs, 2 cloves of garlic, an 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, some Himalayan sea salt, black pepper, and coconut oil. You will also need a bowl to put your mix in with a spatula, a 9 by 13 inch glass pan to put your bread in, as well as a garlic press. To start, you are going to cut your bag of spinach and put it right in your bowl. Then you are going to put your eggs in. Put in your cayenne pepper. Going to crush both of your garlic cloves in the garlic press. Make sure you get all the goods out. And you are going to grind in some fresh black pepper and then some sea salt. I like my stuff salty, so I'll put plenty in there. I like my minerals. Minerals are good. And then you're just gonna mix all this together. We're going to take our baking pan and your coconut oil spray. You could also do this with just regular coconut oil and just spread it with your fingers. Coat it really well because you do not want this to stick. That would be a big bummer. And now you're going to put your spinach mixture right in the pan. Spread that out evenly. And then we're going to put this in an oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. And then we're going to stick a toothpick in it to see if it comes out clean, and that will tell us if it's done or not. Here we go. Look at that. Look at the bright green color. Yum! Yum, yum, yum! I cut them into 10 slices, and 2 of them actually count as 1/2 red and 1/2 green. And so I actually like to eat these as snacks. You could actually make little sandwiches out of them too, but I'm gonna show you how I like to prepare them for my 21-day fix snack. So what I have here is a whole blue container of mashed avocado, and then I have 1/2 container of some ground lean turkey that I cooked up earlier in the week, and I always have this on hand for lunches and such. And I'm gonna show you how I like to prepare them, and I'm gonna split this avocado in half and put it on my spinach loaves. You could do so many things with this too. You could put hummus and tomatoes on it, or you could do avocado and some slices of deli turkey. You could do anything. You could put nuts on here. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I love avocado so very much. And then I'm gonna put this turkey, sprinkle it right over the top. You could put some fresh herbs on here as well, and right now it's winter here, so I do not have any fresh herbs in my garden because there's no garden, because there's snow on the ground. So this is my favorite snack right now, and it's so easy to make and so fast. I actually like to eat them kind of warm too, so yummy. And that, my friends, is my favorite 21-day fix snack. You could also have this as a meal, and you could put a side salad over here with the dressing or steamed veggies. You could do this for breakfast and put some berries on the side. You can do just about anything. So this is my favorite. Now it's time to taste this baby. Here we go. Yum! I made another little one earlier, and it has hummus on it. Why not? It has hummus on it, and it also has a slice of turkey and a little bit of sweet potato right on top, and this is a really good one too. I even give these to my daughter. I cut them up into little bite-sized pieces and I give them to her, and she loves them. It's a good way to get in her veggies. So let me know if you guys like this recipe, if you tried it, if you're doing the 21-day fix, leave me a comment telling me how it's going. If you haven't already, please like this video if you do, and subscribe for more videos from me, more recipes to come this month. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!